I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the match, teams and kickoff time, then decide how to watch. Once clear, pick your source, official broadcaster app, streaming service, or club feed, and check whether you need a subscription or pay-per-view. Make sure your phone, tablet, computer, or smart TV has the app available and that your internet meets the minimum speed, typically around 5 Mbps for HD. Install the app and sign in now so you don't rush at kickoff. Once done signing in, complete any purchases or redeem promo codes, and enable two-factor authentication if prompted for security. Then navigate to the Live or Upcoming tab and test playback early. Select video quality and audio language to avoid surprises. If you plan to cast or use HDMI, pair the device and test the connection. Otherwise, close background apps that consume bandwidth. If the match is geo-blocked, consider an approved VPN before kickoff, but make sure it's compatible with your streaming service. You should join the stream about 5 to 10 minutes early so you're already watching when kickoff arrives. Once live, choose full screen and adjust audio sync or commentary if needed. If buffering starts, switch to a lower quality, move closer to your router, or restart your router and app. These actions usually restore smooth playback. If nothing works, use the broadcaster's in-app support or customer chat, and remember the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.